Good afternoon, Saturday. So, loaded tayo. So, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, tapos meron din sa labas, 3 pa. So, may 6 tayo na clients today. Ito, FI cleaning, total body cleaning, tsaka air filter, tsaka gas filter, and then spark plug. So, FI3 na veil, then shock tuning, palit na rin ng throttle cable, Sniper 155. Kasi ito kay Bossing is pangalawa, full PMS. So, ito yung mga parts niya, no? Engine refresh tayo, piston ring, valve seal, head gasket, base gasket, then water seal papalitan, clutch lining, clutch damper replace, FI cleaning, air filter, fuel filter, tsaka spark plug, then free na tong change oil, tsaka yung coolant. Ayan, so ayan, binaba na tong head. So linis tayo. Ayan. Are you good, Barbin?
Yes, I'm good.
So ito yung kay Bossing, then ito naman kay Boss is Radiator Racing Monkey, nag-upgrade lang siya. So Racing Monkey Big Radiator. Tapos meron tayong may poging dumating. Ayan, 1, 2, 3, 4. So may 4 pa na client sa labas. So visit lang po JB Shop Motorcycle Accessories. So sa Visayas Street na po tayo.